We don't have to be uniform to be unified. We tend to seek out people who look like us as the first step in making friends. Appearance brings us comfort as we look to build relationships. And many of our congregations look like this, and they look this way. And while it may be comfortable, it's also incomplete. In Revelations chapter 7, verses 9 and 10, we get a glimpse of the type of people God surrounds himself with. We read, "After this, I looked, and there before me was a great multitude that no one could count, from every nation, tribe, people, and language, standing before the throne and before the Lamb. They were wearing white robes and were holding palm branches in their hands. And they cried out in a loud voice, 'Salvation belongs to our God who sits on the throne and to the Lamb.'" God's throne is surrounded by the beautiful diversity He created. Diversity is not man's idea, it's God's. God's mosaic includes every tribe, nation, and tongue. It includes every culture, ethnicity, and language. So I have a question for you. What room makes you most comfortable? Is it a room where everybody looks like you? Or is it a room overflowing with God's amazing variety? Or we could reverse these questions and ask it this way. What makes you most uncomfortable? Are you uncomfortable in rooms filled with different types of people? If we are uncomfortable with God's mosaic, we have to ask ourselves, why? In God's kingdom, sameness is not what brings unity, worship does. And worship in God's kingdom is full of beautiful diversity.